Chances are, you've come across cats with different colored eyes, whether in real life or in photos. One eye might be a deep amber or emerald shade, while the other is a striking blue, reminiscent of a piece of the sky. This unique phenomenon is called heterochromia, and it fascinates many people. But why does it happen? What causes this unusual appearance? And is it something to worry about in terms of a cat's health? What is heterochromia? The color of a cat's eyes is determined by the pigment in the iris, which forms during its development. The iris is composed of several layers, and the primary pigment responsible for a cat's eye color is melanin. In cats with heterochromia, one eye has a normal amount of melanin, giving it a yellow, green, or brown hue, while the other remains blue due to a lack of melanin. There are two types of heterochromia. Complete heterochromia. One eye is entirely a different color from the other, such as one being a vivid yellow and the other a bright blue. Partial heterochromia. One eye contains two distinct colors, with part of the iris being one shade and the rest another. Interestingly, heterochromia isn't exclusive to cats. It can also be found in other animals, such as dogs, horses, rabbits, ferrets, and even some birds. Additionally, humans can have heterochromia, though it's much rarer than in animals. Why is one eye blue? The defining feature of heterochromia in cats is that one eye is almost always blue. This occurs because of a complete absence of melanin in the iris. Normally, melanin gives cat eyes various shades, from bright yellow to deep green. However, without melanin, the iris remains transparent, and its blue appearance is a result of light reflection. The other eye has a typical amount of melanin, explaining its color, which can range from amber and green to brown or even copper. Heterochromia, genetic trait or abnormality. Heterochromia in cats is considered a genetic trait rather than a medical condition. It results from specific genetic changes that affect melanin distribution in the iris. This trait is most commonly seen in cats with white or partially white fur. This is due to the white coat gene, which can inhibit melanin distribution not only in the fur but also in the eyes. It's important to note that heterochromia has no impact on a cat's vision. The heterochromatic eye functions just as well as the normally pigmented eye. This condition requires no treatment and does not cause discomfort to the cat. The myth about heterochromia and deafness. One of the most common misconceptions is that cats with heterochromia are prone to deafness. This isn't entirely true. Deafness is more common in all white cats, regardless of their eye color. However, if a white cat has two blue eyes, the likelihood of congenital deafness does increase. This is because the gene responsible for white fur can also affect the development of the auditory system. That said, heterochromia itself does not cause hearing issues. Breeds prone to heterochromia. Heterochromia can occur in cats of any breed, but certain breeds are more likely to exhibit this trait. Some of the breeds commonly associated with heterochromia include Turkish Van, known for their white or cream-colored coats. These cats often have strikingly different colored eyes and are frequently featured in photographs for their unique beauty. Turkish Angora. These snow-white cats often showcase one of the most vivid forms of heterochromia, with one eye blue and the other golden yellow. Persian. While less common in this breed, heterochromia is still considered a distinctive trait. SBHYNX. These hairless cats sometimes captivate with their unique eyes as much as their unusual appearance. Munchkin. These short-legged cats, known for their playful nature, occasionally sport different colored eyes as well. Interestingly, heterochromia is also quite common among mixed-breed cats, especially those with white or partially white coats. How kittens develop eye color. The eye color of newborn kittens doesn't become apparent right away. All kittens are born with blue eyes because their irises initially lack melanin. Over the first 6 to 12 weeks of life, melanin begins to accumulate in the iris, giving the eyes their permanent color. If a kitten is predisposed to heterochromia, this will become evident after a few weeks as one eye changes color while the other remains blue. Partial heterochromia, where an eye develops patches of different colors, also becomes visible during this time. Fascinating facts about heterochromia in cats. Attention-grabbing feature. Different colored eyes are striking and are often considered a unique trait. Many owners of cats with heterochromia take pride in their pet's distinctive appearance. Cultural symbolism. In some cultures, cats with heterochromia are regarded as special or even lucky. For example, in Turkey, they are considered a national treasure. Variety of color combinations. Heterochromatic cats can have combinations like blue and yellow, blue and green, or blue and copper. Rarity in other species. While heterochromia occurs in other animals, it's most commonly seen in cats. Conclusion. Heterochromia in cats is a fascinating natural phenomenon that makes these animals even more mysterious and beautiful. Different colored eyes don't affect a cat's vision or health and don't require treatment. It's simply a genetic feature that adds to their uniqueness and charm. If your cat has heterochromia, it's a great reason to celebrate their extraordinary appearance and share photos with friends. After all, heterochromia isn't just rare, it's a true masterpiece of nature.